Hi everyone and welcome back to GobbleUp. Breakfast being the first meal of the day, why not make it interesting? So today I'm going to show you how to make a smoothie which has the goodness of bananas and the sweetness of honey. Honey and banana smoothie. So let us begin. So for this I've taken 4 bananas, some ice cubes, 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and 1.5 cups of milk. So take your mixie, pop in the bananas. Now add some chilled milk. The milk should be really chilled, otherwise the smoothie will not taste very nice. Now in goes the honey. I've taken 2 tablespoons of honey. Of course you can adjust the sweetness according to your choice. Kids may want it a little sweeter, so you can add more honey if you want. So 2 tablespoons of honey go in, after which add the ice. Ice also you can adjust according to how cold you want it. Now of course vanilla essence is a must. I always add vanilla essence to all my smoothies because believe me, it really gives the smoothie an amazing aroma. Now that's about it. Now you cover your jar and give it a blend. And the smoothie is done. You can see how thick it is. Now you can just pour it into a mason jar or a glass, whatever you wish. And there, you're good to go. Enjoy your smoothie, and if you like my recipe, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.